Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar Mane, founder Global Pharma Academy. Today we are going to discuss about our new batch for Pharma Export Workshop. So we just completed our first batch and the experience is awesome. So all the participants who wish to build career in pharmaceutical export business, they got all complete knowledge. At the same time, we are also satisfied that we provide proper exact learning to our all participant. So if you wish to also build your business in the pharmaceutical export and you want to export anything like in generic, medical devices, Ayurvedic, nutraceutical, API, vaccines, biological preparations, anything, we are helping you, and this workshop is ideally for you to know everything about the export. So what this workshop is about, I mean the syllabus covered, then when it will be started and how you can join, who can join, everything we will discuss in this video. Let's get started. First of all, I will tell you the schedule of this workshop. So this workshop will start from the 10 February 2026 and it is for 1 month. It is around 30 hours is the workshop duration. Then it is online and the platform is Zoho. At the same time, the timing will be 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, this is the ideal time. Now about the syllabus, what things you will got to learn during this workshop. So here we will cover Indian pharmaceutical export import overview, opportunities and challenges. Next topic is all about mindset development, how to become successful exporter. Then type of the export, it means manufacturing export versus merchant export. Then types of the market, classification of market, entry barriers. Then zones of the export, it includes classification of export zone, predominant products in different zones. Then cover skills and basic knowledge required for the export and how to close the business deal in the export. Then market research there are different topics included: selection of the countries, competitor analysis, then entry barrier, then country specific policies and government collaboration. Then export agencies in India, distribution and market of the export countries, then banned molecules, then import categories of the product, then registration process of the company and product, then geopolitical stability, then government initiative with the countries. Then next one is about the how to build the company profile including website and product listing. Then next one is how to find the buyer, role of the embassies in the buyer selection, and also B2B model, B2C model, how you can do in export, then alignment with the laws of the importing countries. And then next one is like how to communicate with the buyer. It include direct call communication as well. So how you can do call communication, mail communication, the different format we shared you the standard format. Then participation in exhibition, like how exhibition will help you in the export, everything we are going to told here. Then country visit, like whenever you visit any country, what thing you need to know and accordingly proceed. Then process of shipment, that is port of disembarkment. Then the next one, logistic management and payment, it includes shipping, logistic, payment term, FOB, CIF, CIP, document against payment, then airway bills, Incoterm, distribution, marketing, supply chain, letter of credit, CHA, HS role. Then licenses required, like market agreement is also whatever required in the export. Then manufacturing licenses, business licenses, export license, import license. Then credentials, it include USFDA, EU GMP, ANVISA, NVMA, okay, country specific requirement, pharmacopoeia adherence. Then in case of the manufacturer, factory visit, facility visit, these are the specific thing we can cover here. And then product registration, that DMF, CEP, B studies and BW studies. Then company or factory registration. Then dossier classification. Then banking process, it include role of banking, selection of banking, different Incoterms, government benefits. Then how to export in Asia market, Middle East, Europe, USA, Africa, CIS, LATAM, GCC and MENA. So this is a lot of topics we covered in the export workshop. So basically it is helpful like to select the country, to select the product, to like select the buyers as well. Then like how to export the logistics part as well, CH role, and take the government benefits to end every deal, like how you can proceed, we are telling you. At the same time, we also provide you many benefits in this course. So first benefit, you will get the buyers data. Yes, buyers data we can able to provide at the end of the course. Then the next one, we also provide some market research data to you so that you can get information which country has which like drug is in the demand. Then the next one, expert learning. I also teach you, but at the same time one more expert who is working right now as a pharmaceutical business consultant for top MNC companies, they will teach you. And at the same time we also provide you the certification of the course completion at the end, and we provide like basic consultation free of cost. Basically, if you want to take our consultation, we are also providing end-to-end consultation for the export, but the basic consultation is free of cost with this course. So this is all about the benefits. Now I'm telling you how you can proceed for the admission. So for process for the admission, the fees is 9,999. So how you can pay? In description I provided the super profile link. You can click there directly, you can pay. Otherwise you can pay to this number as well via UPI. Just share your details after payment, like your name, your email, your location, then your payment screenshot. We will add you in the class group and then we continue the course itself. So some few common questions might be there, like is this workshop helpful to start export business? Yes, this workshop will completely helpful to give end-to-end information. Then is this workshop cover only generics or other segments as well? Yes, it covers generics, API, it covers medical devices, it covers Ayurvedic preparations, and it covers nutraceuticals as well. Then the next one, like who is eligible for this course? Anyone who wish to build career in the export, like who are retailer, they can export, who are wholesale, they can export, who are startup company, they can export, who are doing export in other commodity, then you want to switch to the pharmaceutical. This workshop is ideal for all of them. Even fresher who doesn't know anything but want to do the export business, they can also do this workshop. So that's all about the common questions. If you still have any query, just fill the Google form given in the description. We are happy to help you, or you can call to this number, or you can visit our website, which is www.globalpharmaacademy.com. We are there to help you any way you need it. Okay, just fill that Google form and their query session is also there. You can ask your query accordingly. And I hope you completely understood our workshop, 1 month workshop on pharmaceutical export business management. We are very dedicated to provide you all the learning. We are very excited to meet you and teach you whatever the export is. And our vision is only you can build your empire in the international business in the pharmaceuticals. So this workshop will bring you a milestone or the learning in your business journey. So thanks for watching this video. If you like our announcement, if you like our content and the course information, just like the button of this video and also share this video to your friends and colleagues, or don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you all the best.